Discover exceptional craftsmanship and timeless elegance by Ridgecrest Homes, located on a corner lot in this coveted neighborhood near Progress Ridge Shopping, Parks, and Mountainside High School. This custom stone traditional home welcomes you with walls of windows and skylights that illuminate the two-story great room with a cozy gas fireplace and masterfully crafted built-ins. The gourmet kitchen is a chef's dream, showcasing slab granite countertops, high-end alder cabinets, a bread warmer, 5-burner gas cooking, and a charming breakfast nook. The private, large fenced backyard includes mature trees, plus a sprinkler and drip system. Hand-scraped wood floors lead to the formal dining room, and a main-level office or den. French doors open to the vaulted primary bedroom suite, a luxurious retreat with a double vanity, custom tiled shower, an extra-large soaking tub, and a spacious walk-in closet. The beautifully crafted wrought iron staircase leads to a versatile loft area. The generous vaulted bonus room with a skylight adds another dimension of comfort and style. This home of more than 3,000 square feet has additional large bedrooms with another walk-in closet, extensive storage, a central vacuum system, another well-appointed full bath, and wood-wrapped double-pane windows with custom blinds throughout. Enjoy the serene outdoor space, ready for entertaining or just relaxing in this tranquil setting. It also features a 3-car garage with extra storage space. A remarkable home where you can experience the ultimate in gracious living. It's all here on Brighton Way, and it's ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.